So this is the first solution. The second one is to use a package like Anaconda, and this is my preferred method. Go here and download Anaconda, and this applies also to every one of you. So you go here and download Anaconda. What Anaconda does is that it can handle multiple libraries, and you can use different versions of Python and, change between versions of Python very easily. Anaconda is the go-to tool if you want to do complex things with Python. Use different versions, use a lot of libraries. I really recommend to start off with Anaconda, and it solves a lot of problems that may arise from the typical download that you would do with just the simple Python website. I have already installed Anaconda, but let's see what you would do if you wanted to install Anaconda. So you open up the package installer, you agree with the terms, specify the users, specify the position, go next. And what I want you really to pay attention to, I really want you to add Anaconda 3 to my path variable and also register Anaconda 3 as the default Python version that it's going to be used by Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, and you click install. I won't do that so I do not mess my local environment. But this is how you install Python and Anaconda locally.